you know, on this channel I talk a lot about how you should be purchasing things from discount stores whenever you can. So in today's video I really wanted to share with you some of the things that I like to purchase from Poundland. Now this is going to be a quick video and I really do hope you enjoy it. If you do, please make sure to hit that like button, and if you are new, please make sure to subscribe. So let's just get straight to it. First area that I like to go into is the cleaning area, and I really like to pick up these sponge scourers because you get 20 in a pack, and you can also get this soap filled one. But I just like to make sure that I pick up a lot of these cleaning items Poundland, because I know that in the supermarket they are significantly more expensive. So it's just always nice to come and make sure that you pick up some of these cleaning items in discount stores, and you might be surprised you'll pick up things that you didn't think you would find in Poundland. The other thing is to always make sure that I have first aid items always on hand. So things like plasters, or even these gel heel cushions, or the bunion protectors, anything that we will need to help us with anything to do with our body. So also things like compression wraps, and just making sure we have every first aid items available on hand. So these are perfect for if you're traveling. It's a small little first aid kit, and I always make sure I have those on hand. The next area is a stationery area. So for example, like now we're going back to school, kids are going back to school, and it's so important to make sure you have the appropriate stationery at home to help them do whatever they need. Now I like Poundland because sometimes they also have offers. So as you can see, all of these pens are available for 75p, and then the name brands are £2. But if you actually check in the supermarket, some of the Papermate stuff can run up significantly more expensive than they do here. So for example, you can get these 4 gel pens for 75p, which I think is an absolute bargain. So it's always important to check in your discount stores instead of just shopping in supermarkets. Thing that I like to make sure that I purchase from Poundland are their books. So if you like taking notes, or for example I usually use it to plan my YouTube content, I really like their notepads because they're really cute. So I really like this rose gold one, which I think is really lovely, and they come in a variety of styles. They also have these weekly planners, so if you want to plan your week to make sure you're as productive as you possibly can be, then have a look at what they have in Poundland. There's no need to spend loads and loads of money when you can get one for just £1. I also noticed that they had these new notebooks, which I remember way back they used to be significantly more expensive than just £1. So it's nice to see that they have them in store. They also have these marble journals, and they just have a variety of them, and they're really, really good quality. I also saw that they also had a to-do list, if I can get it back. They also had a to-do list book, which is perfect for making sure you are as productive as you can be during the day and you get those lists done. So make sure to go check those out, because I remember that these in different shops run up significantly more expensive. They also have a variety of multi-pack notebooks that you can check out. I also came across this beautiful week planner, and I just think it's just nice to be able to have things that help you become more productive. And of course you can also get a diary. But I just like making sure I come to Poundland to make sure I get the best value for my pound instead of spending so much more in the supermarket. The other thing that I like to buy from Poundland is gift bags and gift accessories. So for example, you can see that they have this 15 pack of tissue paper, which obviously makes any gift bag look amazing, and you can also buy gift bags. So I always like to make sure I stock up on gift bags, because it just saves me having to frantically run for one when I need one. And that coincides with making sure I have the appropriate gift card. So Poundland do a variety of gift cards, and I like to buy them from Poundland because I just like to have a stash of gift cards at home, and then I don't have to worry. So I like to buy different themed ones and just make sure that I have them ready to go at home, and I'm not running on the day trying to find one last minute, but I always make sure I have them at home. And they have a variety of them that are just so cute. I mean, check this one out. How cute is this one? So have a look at those. Then I also like to make sure I stock up on my son's books in Poundland, because a lot of these books, their retail prices tend to be like 10, 12, 6 times the amount that you get them for in Poundland. So my son has been going through these Mr. Men collection books, and he really likes them because he gets to colour them in, and they also come with stickers, and they're just perfect. So I bought a collection of these when we were travelling, and it's just nice to have them on hand and yeah, get your kids colouring. But they also have a variety of educational books as well. So I managed to pick up some of these books that are going to help him with his reading and writing, and also his maths as well. So it's really, really nice, and they have them and they're age appropriate. But last, this is just for fun. I came across this section. I didn't know Poundland did homeware like this. I think this is a new range, and I just thought these were really, really cool ornaments that you could just use at home. And all for £1, I think so. So get your house looking fantastic. No need to be spending a lot of money when you could be just spending £1. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks.